So students, we have this question. We are expected to complete this table first. Now, I want to show you this first value. When x is equal to 0.25, this is actually y is equal to 3 over 0.25. So 3 over 0.25, what do you get? You get 12. So that's exactly what you see there. So you need to proceed in this fashion. So x is equal to 0.5, y is equal to 3 over 0.5. So 3 over 0.5, what do you get? 6. And when x is equal to 1, you get 3. That's obvious. 2, the same thing. Now x is equal to 3, definitely y will be equal to 1. Fair enough. Now when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3 over 5. So 3 divided by 5, what do you get? 0.6. So that's the solution for the first part of the question. Okay, so having got that, now we are given f of x is equal to 3x squared negative 5x positive 1. You have to write this in the form of a times of x negative h the whole squared positive k, where a, h, k are constants. Now for this I'm going to consider, let us consider 3x squared negative 5x positive 1 is equal to 0. Now what I would do is I would move this 1 to the other side. So you have 3x squared negative 5x is equal to negative 1. Then I take 3 out, I get x squared negative 5 over 3 times x is equal to negative 1. Next, what I wish to do is I would like to take the coefficient of x. What is that? Negative 5 over 3. You divide by 2, what do you get? Negative 5 over 3 times 1 over 2, which is negative 5 over 6. And what you do is you add and remove negative 5 over 6 squared. So adding and removing negative 5 over 6 whole squared, we can rewrite this as 3 of x squared negative 5x over 3 positive. I'm just going to write it like this, 5 over 6 the whole squared. Now over here you added, so that's same as adding and removing. So positive, but the only thing is that the 3 has to come in here. So it's going to be 3 times of 5 over 6 squared. Now this can be rewritten as 3 times of x negative 5 over 6 the whole squared, because when we expand this you get 5x over 3. Fair enough. Now you need to simplify this. This is negative 1 positive 3 times of 25 over 36, which is going to be negative 1 positive 25 over 12, which is negative 12 positive 25 over 12, which is 13 over 12. And on the left you have 3 times of x negative 5 over 6 the whole squared. So therefore 3 times x squared negative 5x positive 1 can be rewritten as 3 of x negative 5 over 6 the whole squared negative 13 over 12. Now we need to perform a check to show that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So come back to the right hand side. If you were to square this, this is going to be x squared negative 5x over 3 positive 25 over 36 negative 13 over 12. So you distribute this, you get 3x squared negative 5x positive 25 over 12 negative 13 over 12. You add these two together, LCM is 12, 25 negative 13, and 25 negative 13 is 12 over 12. So over here you have 3x squared negative 5x, 3x squared negative 5x, 3x squared negative 5x, positive 12 gets cancelled, giving you 1. And on the left hand side, what you got? You got 3x squared negative 5x positive 1. So clearly left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now you don't have to perform this check. This check has been performed to ensure that you have a complete understanding of the way in which I have extracted the quantities. So we have obtained the required form, so we have to move on, and we have to get the value of A. 3h is 5/6 and k is negative 13/12. So you can place this all in a box. Okay, now the next question is find the minimum value of f of x and what value of x produces that. Okay, that's the next part. Now clearly we observe that clearly 3 times of x negative 5/x the whole squared is strictly greater than 0. I would say greater than equal to 0, because when x is equal to 5/6 this becomes equal to 0. So that means this is always going to be positive value. Okay, so this means we have to ensure that this is nullified or this is removed. So this means f of x can hit minimum value only when 3 times of x negative 5/6 the whole squared is equal to 0. So this means f of x will have a minimum value of negative 13/12. Okay, you can put the box. What is that value of x that produces this minimum? Also 3 times of x negative 5/6 the whole squared is equal to 0. This means x negative 5/6 is equal to 0. This means x is equal to 5/6. So this means when x is equal to 5/6 f of x will have a minimum value. So that's the conclusion. Okay, having given you this, we have to do the next part of this question. So what is the next part? The next part is to solve. That's a third part. Solve 3 times x squared negative 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Express your answer in 2 decimal places. Okay. So let me take a is equal to 3, b is equal to negative 5, c is equal to 1 and use quadratic method. X is equal to negative b plus or minus root of negative b squared negative 4ac divided by 2 times a. So this is equal to negative of negative 5 plus or minus root of negative 5 squared times followed by negative 4 times a is 3 and c is 1 divided by 2 times of 3. So this is 5 plus or minus root of 25 negative 12 divided by 6. This is going to give me 5 plus root of 13 divided by 6. This is one value, and then x is equal to 5 negative root of 13 divided by 6. This is another value. Now go to your calculator, you get the value of root of 13. So root of 13 plus 5, and that is divided by 6. So what is that? This is 1.4343. Okay, let me have it like that. Next is 5 minus root of 13. This is divided by 6. What is that? 0.2324. Now the answer has to be given to 2 decimal places. Okay, so you go to the third place. So you have anything equivalent to 5 or greater than 5? No. So therefore x is equal to 1.43. Over here Go to the third place. Is there anything significant? No. So x is equal to 0.23. So that's the solution for this question.